Hi guys, in this video we look at 5 things you need to worry about in the verbal section. Trust me, the moment you start the paper, you're going to see the verbal section, and so we need to be very careful. Number 1 point on my list is over attempt. Do not over attempt. It's my request to everyone. You know what we do in the verbal section? ये क्वेश्चन मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, ये आंसर ऑप्शन मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, मार्क कर दिया. सो वी गो बाय द गट फील. Quant I have to solve. I never mark the answer by gut feel, but verbal we do that. Everybody do. ना मत बोलना, सब करते हैं वो लोग. Yeah, lot of people do that. So number 1, over attempt. Do not over attempt. Please, it will backfire because accuracy is going to fall. In the CAT exam especially, they create options because they know you are going to fluke, you are going to go by the gut feeling. So do not over attempt. That is my point number 1. Yeah, because accuracy will play the very important role. So attempt have to be limited. Yeah, I believe 20 attempt for 99 percentile, 90% plus, 20 attempt and 15-16 attempt is a very good attempt in the paper. Yeah, point number 1. Point number 2, verbal section can be boring, especially for people like me who hate maths or who hate verbal. So it's a very boring area to play on. Yeah, so what my recommendation is, start, and especially RC, starting RC, or imagine when I was used to give my CAT exam, I used to keep verbal section at the end. Here sala starting is verbal hai. Verbal section can be boring, that is the main problem area. So what I recommend is start with your favorite RC. The moment you scan the paper, especially those who hate verbal, scan the paper and start with the favorite topic. For example, last it was a RC on iPhone. Chalo, मैंने one start किया. Last year there was another RC which was very, I don't remember the RC. So start is very important. So what I recommend is if you start, see 1 hour sad होने के जगह, what I can do, first 20 minutes I can enjoy with the couple of RC which are comparatively more easy to read. Question might be tough, but they're easy to read. Then come the second RC which are, then I can go to theta based question, all the other para jumper, para completion, and another 20, and last 20 I used to keep for that. This was my earlier strategy, but now because the time is 40 minutes, so first 20 minutes I'm going to keep for the easy RCs. Then I look at para jumble, para completion. So my attempt, I think you can do 2 or 3 RCs max. You can't do 4 RCs. It's very difficult to touch upon 4 RCs. So 2 to 3 RCs and non-verbal question, non-theta, non-RC questions we can combine into that. So it's boring. Start with something interesting, so that the whole 40 minutes is not a boring. Only 20 minutes is interesting and 20 minutes only is your boring part. Point number 3 on the list is please take care of the timing part. If you overspend time on RC, you are gone. Yeah. So ideal way to that is, one of the strategy which I can recommend for that is, do not solve every question per RC. If there are 5 questions, do not try to solve all 5 questions because तुमने RC पढ़ लिया, इसके मैं 5 का 5 करूँगा. That's a very bad way to look at. Focus on 3 or 4 questions. That's okay. In case any question you find some trouble कि यार ये गड़बड़ लग रहा है, बहुत बड़ा है, read करने में time waste होगा, or I can't even understand, then why to waste your time on that? Move on, move to the next question. Yeah. So timing you have to take care of, because if you spend too much time on a particular question, you are gone, and it will have a ripple effect not only on the verbal section but DI logic, quant तुम सोचते रहोगे अरे यार मैंने गड़बड़ किया, and you are gone. Point number 4 is cutoff. Now for the reserved category student, your target is 75 percentile, which is 6 question correct. 10 क्वेश्चन करो, 12 क्वेश्चन करो, 6 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट कर दो, तुम्हारा कट ऑफ निकल गया. बेर मिनिमम टारगेट. उसके बाद तुम 99 लेके आओ भाई, तो 100 में 102 लेके आओ, तुम्हारे ऊपर है, बट दैट इज अ मिनिमम टारगेट इज 6 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट. For the open category student, for 90 percentile, you have to do minimum 9 to 10 question correct. So let's keep it 9 question correct. For that, you attempt 18, you attempt 20, that's your wish. But 10 question correct in verbal section is my target. 10, and for reserved category 6. This is a bare minimum target. उसके ऊपर आपको जितना करना करो. Point number 4 was a cutoff. Point number 5 is para jumble. I have talked to the many toppers and everyone agree to that para jumble is सबसे घटिया part. If you can improve your para jumble, superb. If you cannot improve your para jumble, don't waste your too much time on that. For example, even today, my accuracy in para jumble is 50%. Yeah, that's a fact. I'm a quant ka teacher, not English ka teacher. So my accuracy in the para jumble is only 50%. And I waste too much time on that. So rather than wasting my time on that, what I will do, I will spend more time on para summary or para completion, all the other topics. So para jumble को take care. I personally believe, now you may disagree on that para jumble can be more tough than this. Anything which I missed, please do write in the comment box, and all the best for your CAT exam. This is your 5 points from the verbal point of view. Over attempt, boring, reading, so make interesting topic first, timing, cutoff, and number 5 para jumbles. All the best.